What is up, geniuses? I wanted to do this video today to show you guys the inside, behind the scenes of my Amazon FBA Geniuses course, exactly what it is, so that you really get a better understanding of what it is that you would be investing your time into and the type of business that you would be building. Again, as we all know, Amazon FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. So you're literally finding a product, giving it to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon, you're creating the listing. Once it's sold, Amazon goes into the warehouse. They take that item that's yours and they ship it to the customer for you. You don't have to do anything. You watch the money roll in. You get paid every 2 weeks. It's that simple. You don't have to deal with a warehouse of your own or filling up an extra room in your house or anything like that, or employees. Amazon will pack, pick, and ship everything. You don't have to worry about tracking numbers, returns, anything. Amazon will deal with all of it. But the behind my course here, right? This is over 12 years of combined experience between the knowledge I've learned with myself, other business partners, and people that are very like-minded, that have done well for themselves. So this is the inside of my course curriculum, right? And as you can see, there's different modules inside. Introduction to Amazon FBA Geniuses. So it's going to teach you from the very basics. Even if you don't know how to set up your own LLC in your own business and you want to, I understand that some people need help with that. So I want you to know that this is foolproof, start to finish, starting a business, okay? From the beginning to the end, there is not a stone left not turned here, okay? So you can watch a video of how to set up a own business, how to set up your own LLC, and again, it's step by step, sharing my screen the way it is right now that you're watching, with me in the bottom corner talking, going over, explaining to you exactly what to do and how to do it, showing you right inside of my accounts. The type of an account you need to set up, okay, inside of a seller account, so that you get used to what it looks like once you have made an Amazon seller account. Attaching your bank account. This is just a little extra for some of you guys. If you wanted to, there's some good credit cards that you can get that will have no interest for 12 months. So you can get that card, buy product, invest in your business, and whatever you get approved for in your credit loan, you have a year loan interest free, right? So it's a good way if you don't want to use your cash, or if cash is a little bit tight, you can literally get this card, then have a year without worrying about having any interest, right? And you should be making money long before then to be able to pay that off and get your Amazon business going, financed simply off of a credit card. If you're an international seller, I talk about that. Patents and trademarks, again, I show you step by step exactly how to do that. These are some other little videos in here. Viral Launch is a software you get. This is the intro to it. So let me just show you. So if you go ahead and start a lecture, this is exactly what it is. So this is, all right, guys, what is you up? Can see now we're finally into the exciting. So this section right here is how to find killer products that sell, how to track these products, and I'm showing you again everything I've learned right inside of here. Right, so all of the videos are literally me showing you the exact way that I'm looking for and finding products, right? So, whatever ideas you have, this is how we vet them, right? So there's a lot of different steps in my course that you're going to take to vet your product ideas, right? And we're going to be able to cross-check these ideas back and forth to take your buying decision and be like, okay, I had zero confidence and had no idea if this product would sell or not. And then after you followed some of these steps, right, the purpose is to get you to as close to 10, 100% confident as possible to go ahead and buy a product and create your first listing on Amazon.com. Okay, so the vetting process is going to bring that confidence up. And then with all of my students, you can email me all of your product ideas. I go over all of my students' emails. We talk regularly, launching products and how to do it. So all of that is going to be included there, but I want to show you again what this looks like inside of the course. So you can see how detailed everything is. Just scrolling through how to bundle products, Amazon best-selling secrets. There's just using the Amazon calculator, right? This is a really big thing that will literally just tell you before you buy a product. If you're like, okay, I'm going to sell this product for $40, you can put in how much it cost you, all of that, and then it's going to calculate Amazon's fee, the shipping fee, all of that stuff, and then you can see your margins. Okay, I'm going to make, $15 a unit on this one, or I'm going to make $5 or whatever it is, and know that, okay, if I had to drop the price to this is still how much money I'm going to make, or if I upped it to this. So the Amazon calculator is a really, really great tool. Simple to use. Again, that's in there. Negotiating, leveraging, and getting the absolute best prices when you're sourcing your product is very important, obviously. So in my course, you actually get a whole template that I actually use when it comes to negotiating. So you can literally take this template, copy and paste this template right to Alibaba sellers or people inside of AliExpress that are selling products to you, if that product in particular is something that we're sourcing on one of those websites. But whoever it is, if you're sourcing in the United States, then you can still take that same template and copy and paste it. So it's already all done for you. So again, it's all taking the guessing work out. But again, this is inside of, I'm right here explaining exactly what to do and how to do it, and going over sourcing and finding products, how much you should order, giveaway hacks, Amazon's A9 algorithm. That's their, again, behind the scenes stuff that you don't have to worry about, but it's what I've learned on what triggers and tricks Amazon's algorithm into ranking your products higher and getting high volume sales. Okay, here's the manufacturer negotiation template doc. So you again are able to just take that document and copy and paste it. Here in module 3 is creating and listing products. Okay, there's a lot of tips and tricks in here, creating the perfect listing. So again, this is literally right inside of my Amazon seller account. So I am creating listings, creating a product to be listed on Amazon.com and sold, and I am showing you live. I am making product listings. So when it's your time to make a product listing, you are going to just go and look at this, and you can watch this video as many times as you want and go follow me step by step as you do it yourself. It's that simple, as long as you follow all of the steps. Okay, so you get inside of my, okay guys, so again, explaining everything right here to you. Okay, doing product launches, giveaways, setting up all these different things that are going to give you edge over your competitors that I've learned over the last 5 years. Now, monetizing your campaigns in module 5. Again, once you get a little bit more used to it and you've gotten your products launched, now we can start to run ads inside of Amazon to beat competitors and get increased exposure for your product listings. Because it's not always about having 20 different things to sell or 5 different things to sell. We can really monetize those things by setting up ads, creating a website if you want, and all of these things to really monetize and make the most money out of what it is that you have right now. So all of that is in here. Doing reports, reading them. Here's a bunch of extra bonus material, all of the links to all of the sites that I use, and absolutely everything that I've learned is all in here right inside of the course. So I just wanted you guys to see this fully tracks everything, right? So when you watch a part, it'll tell you how much of this course you have completed. If you complete and continue, right, it's going to mark that video complete, so that when you sign back into my course later, you can pick up where you left off, and I can see everything inside and how far you're getting along. So if you have a question and you have to send me a message or anything like that, I'll be able to go in and I'll see right where you are. So it'll also make things a lot easier between communication for myself and you. So this is everything inside, all tracked. all again done for you step by step. I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looked like inside of my course, because a lot of people really didn't understand, you know, if it was just me talking or not. So with all of these videos, again, you can go and rewind over and over again. When you are looking for a product to sell, you can click on the video that I am showing you one step on how to find a product, and you just follow that same step, okay? When you are creating a listing on Amazon, you can go to where I'm creating a listing and follow step by step. When I create an ad, following step by step. Every single aspect is in there, from creating your own business to monetizing your Amazon business. And again, once you've found a product, okay, once you've found a good product, once it starts selling, it's going well, it's an automated business, right? There's obviously work up front, but then it becomes an automated business when you find a product that's selling. Your biggest thing is just to not run out of that product anymore once it started selling, okay? So it's literally then just making a new order, getting it to Amazon's warehouse, and it continues to sell, right? And then you just continue to scale that business and move and invest that money in finding a second winning product and a third winning product, and really scaling this business, whether it's side money that you want to make, or whether you want to quit your job and hate your job, or whether you just, you know, wanted to start a little extra side business. This is for you, and it's very simple, even if you're not technologically savvy. Again, because it's so broken down step by step, you can literally rewind it over and over again. So I wanted to show you guys that. I hope you liked it. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a message, DM, whatever it is that you're watching this on. Comment if it's YouTube. So just do that. Enjoy. And again, message me if you have any questions.